Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. That morning, while watering my garden, I suddenly stopped in front of a few orchid pots that were in a withered state. The leaves were wrinkled, the roots had shrunk, and the plant seemed to have no vitality left. While I was unsure what to do, I suddenly remembered what my grandmother once told me. For plants, love alone is not enough. You also need patience and the right method. That very saying changed the way I care for my orchids. I began returning to the simplest things, natural ingredients that are easy to find right in the kitchen, combined with gentle but proper care techniques. And then, something amazing happened. New roots began to emerge, white, healthy, and growing strongly. The leaves gradually turned green again, becoming thicker and glossier. And flowers also started to form, blooming fresh and vibrant with long-lasting color. If you are a beginner, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any useful plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let's get started. Do you often drink coffee at home? Coffee not only helps people stay alert in daily life, but it also brings many benefits to plants. I use a clean cup, as shown in the video. Next, add 1 teaspoon of coffee into the cup. Then pour in about 500 milliliters of hot water to make the solution. After that, stir well until the coffee dissolves completely in the water. Using hot water helps the organic compounds in coffee dissolve better, creating a solution that is easier for plants to absorb, helping improve the growing medium and stimulate healthy growth. Finally, cover and let the solution steep for about 1 hour. While waiting, I proceed to trim away any rotten or dried roots. Removing these parts helps prevent the spread of fungi and diseases, while also creating conditions for new roots to develop, helping the plant recover faster and grow stronger. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After that, gently rinse the plant to evenly moisten the entire root system and growing medium. When watering, adjust the water flow moderately and water slowly around the base so the water can penetrate deeply and distribute evenly without disturbing the roots. This step not only helps wash away any remaining debris after processing, but also soothes the roots, helping the plant adapt better before coming into contact with the nutrient solution. At the same time, pre-moistening helps reduce the risk of shock or root burn, thereby increasing nutrient absorption and supporting faster recovery and more stable growth in the next stage. After 1 hour, when the solution has completely cooled, I use a strainer to filter out the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Next, add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. And that's it. We now have a fertilizer solution ready for watering orchids. Method 1. First, pour the diluted coffee solution into a clean glass cup. Then, use a cotton pad or a soft cloth to soak up the solution and gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dust and long-standing residue from the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean and well ventilated, thereby improving photosynthesis efficiency. In addition, the organic compounds and micronutrients in coffee also help nourish the leaves, making them greener, thicker, and glossier. You can clean the leaves about once a month, or whenever you notice dust buildup, to keep your orchid pot always fresh and beautiful. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 2. Next, pour the diluted coffee solution into a spray bottle, then mist it lightly and evenly over the entire orchid plant, including the leaves, stem, and root area. This spraying method allows the organic compounds and micronutrients in coffee to be quickly absorbed through the leaf surface, helping the plant take in nutrients more effectively. As a result, the orchid receives timely micronutrients, increases resistance, reduces fungal diseases, and helps the roots, stems, and leaves grow more balanced and healthier. You can apply this method about 1 to 2 times per month to maintain plant health and help orchids grow steadily and sustainably. In addition to orchids, you can also use this solution for many other plants. Here, I apply it to rose plants. Coffee provides a natural source of organic matter and essential micronutrients, improves soil conditions, and helps stimulate strong root growth. As a result, roses grow better, with darker, thicker leaves, and it also promotes bud formation, leading to more even blooms with longer-lasting color. Method 3. Add 3 to 5 ice cubes to the remaining diluted coffee solution. This helps cool down the solution, creating better conditions for the root system to function more stably, while also supporting nutrient absorption and reducing the risk of thermal shock for the plant. Next, pour this solution into a watering can and gently water around the base, ensuring the solution is evenly absorbed into the entire growing medium and reaches the root zone. When watering, do it slowly to avoid disturbing the roots, while allowing the plant to absorb nutrients gradually and more effectively. The coffee solution provides natural organic matter, along with essential micronutrients, helping improve the structure of the growing medium and creating a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms to develop. In addition, the organic compounds in coffee help maintain stable moisture around the root zone, reducing dryness or sudden moisture fluctuations. This helps the plant reduce stress, grow more steadily, develop darker green, thicker, and glossier leaves, and significantly reduce weakening or yellowing during growth. Results after 2 months of application. Leaves become darker green, thicker, and glossier. New leaves grow strongly, helping photosynthesis take place more efficiently. The root system also recovers quickly, with many new roots appearing, featuring plump green tips that firmly attach to the growing medium. As a result, the plant absorbs nutrients more steadily, creating a solid foundation for long-term growth. In addition, shoots and flower spikes develop evenly, and the plant becomes sturdier. The number of buds increases significantly, with buds that are large, round, and healthy. When the flowers bloom, they have vibrant colors, last longer, and maintain their beauty over time, helping the orchid pot stay bright and attractive for an extended period. What do you think about this natural orchid care method using coffee? Have you ever tried applying this method to your orchids? Share your experience in the comments. This is a well-deserved result of patience and proper care techniques. When nurtured correctly, plants will respond with lasting vitality and elegant beauty. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.